Jordan 5 has a distinctive yellow suede upper that is hard to miss. Wolf gray accents appear on the tongue, side netting, and eyelets, providing balance to the vibrant pattern. The contrast is enhanced with black details on the laces, heel, and shark-tooth midsole. Sneakerheads love the embroidered Kanji emblem on the side, which adds a cultural touch. Rumours predict 2 possible releases, one exclusive, similar to the Undefeated 4-drop approach, with OG Jumpman on the heel and the other with Nike Air. Whether that's true or just a sneaker myth, one thing is certain, these Jordans are getting special packaging and will sell out faster than a Tokyo bullet train. The Jordan 5 Tokyo 2025 returns in its original form, adding to a growing collection of vintage retros. The Air Jordan 5 Tokyo will be released in fall 2025.